Callie Carroll, and you're about to watch a little rendition of Kinda Cookin with Cal. Usually I do this in our private group setting, but I thought, why not do it here for everybody to watch? So stick with me. The reason why we call this Kinda Cookin with Cal is because I'm not really a chef, if you know me. I'm all about simple, quick, healthy foods, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So we're going to make protein blueberry muffins, and they're going to be 50 calories a piece with about 7 grams of protein. If you follow me, you know I go after a 10% protein ratio rule, meaning I'm looking for 10%, like if it's 50 calories, I want at least 5 grams of protein or more. So that's what we're going to do. 50 calories, 7 grams of protein. You guys ready? You're like thinking, what do I need to get out, Cal? Because I'm going to make these with you right now. Do it. First, get out your egg whites, you guys. Get out your frozen blueberries, and then you get out your protein drink mix, vanilla Formula 1, and protein baked good mix. Those are the things we have. Oh, and baking powder and vanilla. Jeez, Callie, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. You are going to take a good old-fashioned measuring cup and egg whites, and you're gonna pour in, I just do everything right in here. Pour in a cup of egg whites. I'm gonna be making 10 muffins. I eat 5 muffins for a meal. If I was hungrier, I would eat more because I'm my own boss and I can eat whatever I want. All right, so while I'm doing that, actually, you guys get it together. Let's multitask in here. I'm gonna take some of my frozen blueberries and I'm gonna microwave about a half cup to a cup of blueberries. I also almost never measure anything. I dropped one. It's okay, I picked it up, you guys. I'll eat it. Except for I measure the egg whites because people are like, Cal, I try to cook, but then I don't know what I'm doing because you don't tell me what to do. Anyways, whatever. They're bad. So I'm gonna warm my blueberries because otherwise, if you put them in there frozen, it's gonna make them all watery and soggy and nasty. Okay, so now I have a cup of my egg whites. Boom, in here. I'm gonna do 4 scoops. Wait. Bum, bum, bum. What? No, 2 scoops of this protein drink mix. All right, so 2 scoops. You guys are like, aren't you gonna use a counter? I don't need a counter. What do I look like, a rookie? I can just do this right out in the open, but I just have my house clean, so I kinda wanna keep it clean. So I've got 2 scoops of that. I'm gonna do 2 scoops of the baked good mix. All of us do this a little bit different, but this is my favorite way to do it, so do it my way, and then all of us will do it the same way, and it'll be my way. Just kidding, you can do it your own way, but I really like the way the baked good mix is in here. I've tried other things like Kodiak pancake and like different protein mixes, and literally I have to choke them down. I'm like, that's how I feel. So these ones taste dynamite to me, so I did 2 scoops, 2 scoops. I'm gonna do just vanilla of my Formula 1. Now this has my vitamins and minerals in it, right? So 21 essential vitamins and minerals, all my good stuff for my body. And I'm gonna do 4 of these bad boys. 1, I know, this is a lot of counting. Usually Quincy cooks with me because we can work on counting. 2, 3, and like kind of just like levelish scoops. Like obviously this is not an exact science, you guys. This is kinda cooking with Cal. Oh, always have on in the background Autobots or some sort of show. Okay, so all my goods are in here. Oh, no they're not. Vanilla extract. Good thing I already set this stuff out because it's a lot of pressure when you guys go live. Like I get really nervous. Just kidding, I forget. I don't measure it. I just do this, watch. Squirt. Hack for life. I always just poke a hole in the top of my extracts so I get the appropriate squirt size. Oh my gosh, that's my kid. He's freaking adorable over there. He's taking his rest time. And then I'm gonna do some baking powder. I don't know why, it just makes me feel good. And I also don't measure it. Maybe I should, but I just do this.
Mom, what are you making?
I'm making blueberry muffins. You want some?
Let me try to make some.
Okay, he's gonna come try to make some. So now I'm gonna stir this up like so. We're stirring the blueberry muffins, and it's gonna be a little bit too thick. So I always just put this portion in and then see depending on, oh, no, it's not gonna be too thick. It might just be perfect, you guys. So look at this, mix in. You wanna mix it? Do you wanna come show them how you mix it? You guys, you wanna see how Quincy does it? This is so easy, a baby can do it. Okay, here we go. You come up here. Hold this, mix it up with your golf ball. Hold on, don't worry, he's wearing clothes. Yeah, half of his clothes is for kneeling life. Okay, you can ask, no, don't mix it that one, that one's to pour. So he's mixing that up as good as he can. We're gonna add just a little bit of water to like what you think muffin batter consistency should be, depending on like if my scoops were a little bit heavy or a little bit light. Like I never know exactly. Quincy, dynamite job, bro. And then I'm gonna take out my blueberries, which are now melted and a wee bit warm. Oh, man, oh, shit. He got a little bit crazy, you guys. Don't worry, we'll clean that up. Kinda Cooking with Cal. This is how it goes. So I like to keep most of the batter inside, but Quincy apparently puts some of the batter on the outside. So I'm gonna do a splash of water. Watch this. Splash. I mean, like literally, I just went splash, and I'm gonna stir it up because
Why did it splash out?
you know, I think it splashed out because you were aggressively stirring. What do you think? Yeah, you were aggressively stirring. Okay, so that kind of seems like when I'm making muffins, like normal muffin batter, that like seems like more the consistency. So you're not gonna mess it up, you guys. A little extra water, whatever. So just a little bit. You'll do the next one? Okay, you can eat this batter too because it's pasteurized egg whites, by the way. I'm gonna dump my blueberries in there now. Bam, it gives it a little blueberry juice and they end up being blue. Berry muffins, get it? Blue, but like they really are blue. What's up, bro?
I need to put my water in there.
You're gonna put more water in there? You're gonna put your golf ball in there and cook your golf ball? Okay, so now here we are. You guys, look at how professional this is. We have our blueberries, our protein, our Formula One, our vanilla, our baked good mix. And this is super simple. We're just gonna pour some, I love this spray. It's just like an avocado like spray. If you had muffin pan trays, you could use those. I don't. I'm gonna spray those just real quick over my sink. So, no, Witten's taking a nap, as it turns out. So I'm gonna spray my little guys. Bump up. Let's see if I can even attempt to do this in front of you guys. Here, just come closer. You guys, bring yourselves on over to the kitchen. Come on, be a part of our experience. Whoa, whoa. It's gonna fall over. Don't worry about it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take these guys and plop a spoon in each one, right? Oh.
And this one's the stir?
Yeah, that's the stir. We're gonna get all the rest of it out of there. I had the oven already preheating, you guys, on 350. Okay, so there's my little guys, all the goods, pop them in the oven, and then if I was like a ninja, I would be like, pause video, like. Join me. No need for a pot holder, just use whatever towels around, it's totally fine. Just check these bad boys out. Oh, they look glorious. They are done. As you can see, it's really important that you make them all the exact same size because I'm you can look at it, it's very hot. Nah. Look at this bad boy. 50 calories. Oh, it's very hot. Yeah, this Quincy, very, very hot. You're thinking like for just protein, no flour, nothing else in there? Like, it's pretty flippin' incredible. Like, it's just a muffin, guys. Just a muffin. I'd eat it right now. I feel like it's too hot. Just try. You touch it? Real hot, right? It's real hot. Okay, there you guys go.